Y'all, this is my favorite thing I discovered during the pandemic, okay? Let me put y'all on. So, boom, this everything that come with it is mad easy. All right, so first you want to find the tip that fits each nail and put those on with the gel, which is also a glue. I got this from Amazon, but you could use a regular nail clipper or scissors. Look at me, I'm mad indecisive, so I couldn't decide what shape I wanted to do. I had to think about it. But then I realized I didn't want them too long, so I went with almond. So just cut, file, and get them to the shape you want them to be, and then we'll get started. By the way, I got this little nail kit from Walgreens. They also had it at my local beauty supply store, CVS, like Target, like all types of stores like that. Very cheap and very easy. Look at those. They're giving what they needed to give, okay? So now you want to open the dip powder and put the dip powder in the little container that it came with. You take the brush on gel again, and you're going to paint each nail like a nail polish, one at a time though. So you paint that on and then you dip it into the powder, one nail at a time. Let that sit for a few seconds and then tap, 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 and repeat. Now the directions tell you to do all 10 nails first, but I like to do one hand at a time. So the next step is to use a little sponge that it comes with to dust each nail. Then repeat that, and then you are done with the first coat. Now this is me doing the second coat. What's most important about the second coat is make sure you brush the gel brush on on a paper towel, whatever, to get it clean, because that powder will harden that brush and you won't be able to use it, which is why they give you extra brushes. So just repeat all steps again for all 10 nails, and then you're done with that step. Now next you want to take the activator and put that on all 10 nails, kind of like nail polish again. They say not to get it on your skin, but honestly, I get it on my skin all the time and nothing has ever happened. But full disclaimer, that's what they say, so be careful. Taco break. All right. Now I'm going to file them again. After you do the activator, you want to file and buff and get them looking like how they're looking right now, like everything, okay? Please don't mind my raggedy ass buffer. I've had it forever. So yeah, get those together, and then once you have them to the shape and sharpness and everything you want, you go back in with the activator on all 10 nails again, and then the last step is the brush on gel to finish it off. And honestly, you could wear it like that because it looks bomb, but it's giving basic, and I'm not a basic type bitch, so we're gonna go ahead and polish these up. But there you have it, $13 nails. Thank me later.